On March 1st, 2021, I'm going to host a live workshop that will concentrate only on automations. We are going to work on workflows and blueprints. The workshops is hands-on, it's not theory. The sessions will start with a short explanation about a topic, and then you guys will need to work. So it's hands-on, no theory, okay? Now, while I will teach you about those advanced automations, we are also going to do some exercises, and those exercises are tools that you will keep later on. For example, when a deal reaches to a specific stage, we're going to create tasks for different people in the team, we're going to send click notifications. All those are going to be tools that you can use later on after the workshop is done. Okay, so again, automation workshop on workflows and blueprints. We're going to be hands-on, working together. This workshop is limited to 15 people. I cannot have more than 15 people because I need to give attention to each one of you, and I will have also another developer or 2 developers depending on how many people will join the workshop, so they can support the people that needs additional help. Okay, so the idea is on every 5 people we will have additional developer. The maximum people will be 15. That's it. In the description below you will find the link to the landing page that will explain everything about this workshop. I will see you at March 1st, 4 p.m. Eastern Daytime. Bye bye.